Hello students, today we will discuss our exercise 3 of chapter multiplication and division. Okay, in this first question is multiply. First part I am going to explain you, that is you have to multiply 5135 into 43. Okay, see this is 4-digit number, this is 2-digit number. So you have to multiply these two numbers. So firstly write them in the vertical columns. See, in horizontal form it is given, you have to write in vertical columns. See how you write? Write in this form 5135. Okay, now this 43, write it here in this manner. Okay, so now you have to do multiplication. This is the sign of multiplication. Firstly, multiply with the ones position. Okay, so with this position you have to multiply to all the digits above. See, 3 5s are. What is 3 5s are? That is 15. Firstly write in rough, that is 15. Okay, see that 5 will be written here and that 1 will be remaining. Okay, now see 3 3s are 9 plus 1, that is 10. So that 0 will come here and that 1 is remaining, that is completed, that 1 is remaining. Okay, so take that. Now 3 5s are done, 3 3s are done. Now 3 1s are, that is 3 plus 1, that will be 4, comes here. Next is 3 5s are 15. Now this is done, so 3 5s are 15. So here no more digits, so write the complete word, that is 15. Okay, now see the next. See, now multiplication with this 3 is complete. Which is remaining? This tens position is remaining. So now multiply with this 4 to all the digits above. So what you do? It is a tens position, so place one multiplication sign here. Okay, now see, multiply with this 4 and 5. 4 5s are, that is 20. Okay, now that 0 will come here, that 2 is remaining. Keep that in your mind. Okay, now see, 4 3s are 12 and then next 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2, that will be 14. 12 plus 2, 14. That 4 will come here and that 1 is carry. Take that. 4 1s are 4 plus 1, that will be 5. So write it here 5. Now no carry is there, so erase that. Now see, 4 5s are. Okay, one by one you go. 4 5s are, that will be 20. So place that 20 complete here because no more digits are there. So in this way you can do that. Now add these numbers. Okay, place one digit below one digit. In this manner you have to place that. Now add these. What you got? 5. 0 plus 0, that is 0. 4 plus 4, 8. 5 plus 5, that is 10. 0 here, 1 here. 1 plus 1, that is 2. That is 2. So the answer is 2,20,805. Okay, now see the next part I'm going to explain you. See the next part, D part. Firstly read the number. This is 26,854 into 84. See, you have to multiply with 2-digit number, but the number which is given first, that is 5-digit number here. Only this is the difference in this. Okay, see, now firstly write in vertical column. How you write? So write this in this manner. Done. Now the next 84, write in this manner, multiplication sign. Okay, now see, firstly this position. Firstly you have to multiply this number with all the numbers above. So one by one you take. 4 4s are, that will be 16. So 6 here, 1 carry. Okay, now 4 5s are, that will be 20 plus 1, that will be 21. Okay, that 1 will come here, that 2 is carry, take that. Now see, 8 8s are 64, 8 8s are 64 plus 2, plus 2, what it will be, sorry, we have to do with this 4, 4 8s are, what is 4 8s are 32 plus 2, that will be 34. Okay, that will be 34. That 4 will come here and then 3 is carry, take that. So see, 4 6 are. So firstly keep this in your mind that we have to multiply with this number only. Okay, so 4 6 are, that will be 24 plus 3 is there, 24 plus 3, what is that, 24 25 26 27. So place that 7 here and 2 is carry, keep that in your mind. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2, 8 plus 2, that will be 10. Done. So multiplication with 4 done. Now we will take the tens position, that is 8. So firstly place that multiplication sign here. Now do the multiplication one by one. What is that? 8 4s are, that will be 32. Write in rough, 2 here, 3 is carry. Now see, 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 3, that will be 43, 43, that 3 will come here, 4 is pending. Okay, now see, 8 4s are done, 8 5s are done, 8 8s are 64 plus this 4, that is pending, 8 8s are 64 plus 4, that will be 68. Now that 8 comes here and 6 is pending. Now see the next, 8 6 are 48, 48 plus 6, 8 6 are 48, 48 plus 6, 48 49 50 51 52 53 54. So write it here, 4 will come here and 5 is carry. 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 5, 16 17 18 19 20 21. So place that 21 here. Okay, now you have to simply add this. Okay, now with these two numbers multiplication done one by one. Now add this 6, it will be 6, 2 plus 1 3, 4 plus 3 4, 5 6 7, write it here 7. Now the next is 7 plus 8, 8 is bigger, 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So write it here 5, here 1, 4 plus 1, that will be 5, 1 plus 1 2, that is 2. Okay, now so the answer of this multiplication is 22,55,736. Okay.